Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Nasdaq with Arshia. Today we're going to be doing a review slash update on Cleanspark. So before we begin, I want to say that I'm not a financial advisor and you should always do your own due diligence and research before taking part in any investment scheme. Let's get into it. I will share my screen with you guys. So first, we all know that Cleanspark is a crypto mining stock. And before we talk about Cleanspark, we have to talk about Bitcoin. We just have to talk about Bitcoin. So one Bitcoin equals to 63,400 United States dollars as of April 15th, 11:10 p.m. UTC 2021 at the time of recording. And the interesting thing about Bitcoin and the Cleanspark stock is it mostly, well, today it took a turn, but it mostly follows Bitcoin trends. So Bitcoin on Thursday, March 25th, it would have fallen around that too. So if we go back to 1 month, March 24th, March 25th, it fell down. So it basically follows Bitcoin trends. It's kind of tied to Bitcoin also. So if Bitcoin falls, then Cleanspark will fall. Bitcoin rises, Cleanspark rises. And if we look at the recent articles that I have set up, so Cleanspark has generated just over 56 bitcoins as of end of business January 19th, 2021. And they have only a market cap of $713.5 million. Whereas if we go to Mara, Marathon Digital Holdings, or Mara, as you guys know, it mined 196 bitcoins in the first quarter of 2021, including just over 102 in March alone. Mara has a lot more machines. It has a bigger market cap. So if you look at their market cap, it's 4.16 billion. That's a lot bigger than what Cleanspark is. So they're obviously going to mine more. But if Cleanspark manages to mine 6 Bitcoin a day, say, that's like $360,000 a day about. So that's pretty good. And they're not doing too bad for a smaller cap stock. It's actually really good. And if we look at Riot holds over 1,565 Bitcoin on its balance sheet in total. And in Q1 2021, the company produced 491 Bitcoin. Let's just highlight that because I feel this is important. An increase of 75% over its pre-halving Q1 2020 production of 281 Bitcoin. So if we look at our Riot back here, oh, there it is. Sorry, guys. There it is. So if we look at Riot here, it's 4.5 billion. It's similar to Mara. It's actually less than Mara slightly. But still, that is a pretty big market cap. And in comparison to the rest of these, at least Cleanspark, we can see that they're obviously going to have more machines, more tech, all of that good stuff. And if we scroll down to the news, top stories, Nasdaq listed Cleanspark buys 22,680 Bitcoin miners. So we're not going to do that article, we're going to do this one. So Cleanspark stock surges after deal to buy nearly 23,000 more Bitcoin miners. Shares of Cleanspark Inc. CLSK. Okay, so today is down, but in the recently, if we go up, recent 5 days it's been up. So the reason why it surged mostly is because of this. It surged 5.6% in the morning on that day, trading Thursday, after the energy software and Bitcoin mining company said it has bought 22,680 additional Bitcoin miners, which the company expects will provide it with a total of mining production capacity of over 3.2 EH/s. So that's basically hash rate. The stock stock's rally comes as Bitcoin rose 0.4%. Like I said before, and I repeated several times, it's kind of tied to Bitcoin, and that's really important to remember because we will be a little more prepared as to what is going on. We probably know more. So if Bitcoin has some news, then of course Cleanspark will too. To trade just shy of Tuesday's record close of 63,434.45 cents, according to FactSet data. Cleanspark said the additional orders included 15,480 S19J Pro and S19 Pro anti-miners contracted from a premier cryptocurrency mining equipment dealer. So that will probably increase the production by a lot. And also, if we go back to our recent article, the statistics that they have doing, the company had recently, as previously stated, its plan to strategically manage the percentage of the coins it holds or sells according to market conditions and current Bitcoin prices. To date, Cleanspark continues to hold approximately 31 of the 56 Bitcoins it has mined. So about more than half of the Bitcoins it has mined. So more than half of the Bitcoins it has mined. As the company observes a 9/30 fiscal year end, the mining revenue thus far in FY 2021 has exceeded 1.6 million based on the daily price of Bitcoin on the date they were mined. The company expects its daily production numbers to continue to increase over the coming weeks as we further expand mining and production capacity. Cleanspark intends to update its investors with additional information and with the energy and data operations upgrades progress. And only after 40 days, it has done all of this. So that is outstanding. Literally outstanding. Because the last time we saw, they were at 500, 600 million. Now they've grown to 700 million. So that is just crazy. So that's our update. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this information helpful, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe down below. If you haven't done it yet, now's the time to do it. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.